Turn any portrait into a classical marble statue with Gemini AI, fast, elegant, timeless. Start with a high-contrast portrait, neutral expression, and a simple background for best results. Import your photo into Gemini AI and choose the classical marble preset from the stylistic menu. Gemini applies sculpted forms and soft marble tones automatically. Notice the silhouette change first. Step 3. Increase texture strength slightly to reveal subtle chisel marks and aged grain. For authentic depth, switch to a warm rim light and reduce ambient fill to emphasize shadows. Zoom in on the nose and forehead to refine grain and surface micro detail with low-strength brushes. Adjust vein intensity to add faint marble striations, lower color saturation, and nudge contrast slightly. Use the sculpt brush at low opacity to sharpen the jawline and classical contours without overdoing it. Apply subtle cinematic grading, desaturate slightly and lift shadows for that vintage museum feel. Now the reveal, drag the slider to compare original and statue in one smooth motion. Save the preset, export at high resolution, and try the Classica preset in Gemini AI today.